Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Shaper. So today we are going to learn about Angular directives, one of directive ng for. So before any delay, let's start the topic. Okay. So what it will do? Angular ng for directive, it will iterate over a collection of data elements like array, list, etc. and create an HTML element for each of item from the HTML template. Okay, so what it will do, it will use ng for in a list box. So it can loop in a table. It can use to display nested array. Also we can see how to export value to local variable, format even order, rows and index things. So I'll have a note here already. So these things. So these are the some exported variable inside ng for we can use of those. Index we can, it's a zero based index. I'll show you example. First, last, it will both are boolean variable. If the item in the list is first element, it will be true or it will be false. Same as this one. If it is last, then it will be true or it will be false. If not, this is if the item in the element is divisible by 2, that means index divisible by 2, then it will be written true, otherwise it will return false. Or if it is not divisible by 2, then it is true, otherwise it will be false. So we will have a discussion of each of these things with the example. So let's, here already I have defined a array movies like title Batman, X-Men. I can put some like Spider-Man, let it be mock. So we have defined a array of objects. These are, each one is a object. Okay, so we have 3 elements. So we are putting it to inside h1 because it will be clearly visible in browser. Okay, what it will do, like this. This is the syntax ng for equal to let movie of movies. Okay, so this is the element. We are putting ng for over div. What it will do, we will put some template here. Let's put paragraph. Wow, it will do like this. It will loop over this movies array of objects, and movie will be the each item in the list. Like I'll show you, this is one movie, this is another movie, like this. So what we can do, we can print like this, movie dot title along with movie dot direct. Okay, so let's have a example here. I did something mistake. So this is okay. It's looping here over. Okay, if you inspect here, see what it's doing. It's creating 3 div, right? We have loop over div, and inside div we have put a paragraph, right? So next thing what we can do, this thing. So count, I will show you the how many elements in that array. Okay, first, last. Okay, for that thing If it's item in a first, it will show first. If it's like last, it will be last. And then even odd. Okay, so even odd index I'll show you at a time. Just copy here and paste over here. So like this I am giving I, it's a zero based index, and the odd variable I am storing in O, and even variable I am storing in E. Okay, so first I will show you the I things. It's a zero based indexed. So for easy formatting, what we can do, I plus 1. Okay, it's 1 2 3. So now what we can do, we can add some classes based on the odd even. So how it will do, we'll do like this. Let's in the class equal to O. If O is true, then class will be odd, otherwise it is even. Okay, for this thing we need to define two classes over here. Dot even background color, suppose hot pink, and odd will be background color suppose it will be like this. So we have defined two classes here, and if it element in the item is odd, then it will be do this color, and if it is even, it will do this color. Okay, let's go back to our string, right? If you inspect the element, see it's putting even here, and here it's putting odd, then here it's putting even. Okay, so it's based on the index, right? So here like I, as we are putting a plus 1 here, that's why it's showing here. If you remove this, see this is even, means 0, this is divisible by 2, and 1 is not divisible by 2, then it will be odd. See this one. Okay, so next we will use a track by function. Okay, we can put like this here, track by equal to track by n. So this is kind of index kind of thing in MySQL, so it will do a faster. So we need to define this function. So it will get by default two argument, index and item. What will do, return item dot title. Title we are having here, right? Did some mistake there, I think. So that syntax we did the mistake here. Yeah, it will be like this, not equal to track by cooler track by function. Okay, so in this tutorial we had a discussion detail of Angular 4 directive. In my next tutorial we had a discussion with Angular other directives, okay, and the switch directive. Till then, thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.